friends, today we're learning the letter A. Welcome to Newman's Notebook, the channel where kids get to learn with a real teacher. That's me, Lindsay Newman. Today I'm going to be using my notebook and a marker. You can use a piece of paper, a whiteboard, a chalkboard. You can also use a crayon or a pencil. Doesn't matter what you're writing with, the most important thing is that you're writing. So let's start learning. So today when I was thinking about the letter A, I walked around my house to find things that reminded me of the letter A, and I found this letter A that also turns into a robot. Maybe you've seen these. And I also found this. This is, what is this? This is an apple. So I found an apple, I found a letter A, and today we're going to practice writing and drawing the letter A. So I'm going to take my marker and practice uppercase A's. And the way we do that is top to bottom, left to right. So go ahead and try that. Top to bottom, left to right. You could do a big one, top to bottom, left to right. You could do a small one, top to bottom, left to right, or even a teeny tiny one, top to bottom, left to right. Now we can also practice our spacing with the uppercase A. So here at the bottom, I'm going to do the same thing, top to bottom, and you can try it too. Top to bottom, left to right, and then do finger space. Now try another one. Top to bottom, left to right, finger space. Top to bottom, left to right, finger space. So just try doing your spaces in between your uppercase letter A. Now I'm going to try the lowercase. So to do a lowercase letter A, you're going to go around, up, down. So go ahead and give that a try. Around, up, down. Around, up, down. Let's try a big one. Around, up, down. Maybe a small one. Around, up, down. You could try a teeny tiny, around, up, down. Just try a bunch of these lowercase A's so you can practice. Now let's practice our spacing down here. So same thing, around, up, down, finger space. Around, up, down, finger space. Around, up, down, finger space. Go ahead and practice that. Now, to draw things that start with the letter A, I would like to draw the apple because that was something I noticed right away in my house, and you probably have that too. So to draw an apple, I'm just going to go around like this. It's almost a circle, but not quite. So try drawing an apple. And then there's a little stem on the top. If we want to write the word apple, we do lowercase a, around, up, down. And then we do a P, lowercase p, lowercase p, lowercase l, even lowercase e. So try writing the word apple. Another thing that starts with A is the word angry. And I know sometimes if something happens, we might feel angry. It's an emotion. So to make an angry face, I'm going to make a circle for the face. Then I'm going to do 2 lines for the eyebrows. So 1, 2. And I'm also going to do the eyes right under the eyebrows. See how he looks kind of angry? A nose, and an angry mouth. And if I want to write the word angry, it's a lowercase a, and you can try too, a lowercase n, a lowercase g, lowercase r, and lowercase y. So apple, angry. Now I'm going to draw something that's called an axe, which maybe you've seen or maybe you haven't. An axe is something that you use to cut wood, especially if you're outside and you need wood for a fireplace. So to draw an axe, we're going to draw a shape. So it kind of looks like an L to start. And then you just kind of connect it to the top. So that's where the axe cuts things here. And then draw a line coming off. This is the handle. You could even make it more like a cylinder. And then you could draw a piece of wood. So I'm going to draw a circle just around the axe, a line down, and then maybe some lines for the wood. And you could even draw circles inside, so it looks like a tree stump. And to write the word axe, it's just two letters. It's A, lowercase a, and X. That's it. Okay, I think we have time for one more word. Let's try this word anchor. Anchor is something, if you were in the water, so go ahead and draw the water, and you were on a boat. This is how I'm going to draw my boat. There's a sail, there's the boat. Now the boat has something that goes all the way to the bottom that keeps it from floating away, and that's called an anchor. You've probably seen this before. So to draw an anchor, you do like a J, and then another shape very similar. Arrow, arrow, horizontal line across, and maybe a little circle at the top, and that's an anchor. And to write the word anchor, it's lowercase a, N, C, H, O, R. So we have apple, angry, axe, and anchor. So these are just some A words. There are lots of other words that start with A. And if you remember from the beginning, I found an apple in my house. You probably have one too. And I found something that looked like the letter A, these letter robots. And that is it for the letter A today. Thank you for coming by. If this is your first time on Newman's Notebook, go ahead and hit subscribe to find more fun learning lessons about letters and numbers and shapes. Thank you. Bye-bye.